Ooh, juicy. And I love it. Just like the name. Oh my pretty. I already did this wig. They so cute with their pink pretty packaging. Feeling like that girl. Got me another curly joint. You see how I ate this one up? Oh, we're gonna eat this one up as well. Oh, perfect. It's a closure and the lace is already cut. I do have to bleach my knots really quick. Okay, let's see how long it takes me for real start to finish. So it is 2:22 right now. Bleach my knots really quick, do my makeup, come back, install. That's the plan. Okay. She look good. Curls popping. All right. I will be using my diffuser to dry my hair because I need to finish this wig in about 30 minutes. It's currently 4:30. So what's that? 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. So yeah, it's been about 2 hours since I bleached my knots and did my makeup. Let's put this bad boy on. And I will be adding some layers to my wig after it dries, so I can know how short to go. And this is where my hair stops when the hair is wet. Curls are so pretty. All right, let me do what I do. So you can wear this wig as a glueless unit. However, I am going to use adhesive to glue mine down. And I guess I did over bleach a little bit right here. So I'm gonna take some of my root touch up. Putting concealer on my part because I took that bad boy away. Nothing I can't fix. Okay, I'm gonna use some water. Okay, like my lace look good. It look close to my skin tone, but watch how this blends even more. Take a little bit of my cream contour. I'm just going to dab it on the edge. Look at that. Yes. Put a little bit on the part up here, just a little. Blot this back. Just putting a thin layer in front of my hairline. I prefer to add more glue. However, I do not have on a ball cap, so of course I can't put glue back there on my hairline. Baby, she look good. This right on the edges. Okay, now let's define these curls really quick. What time is it? Ding, it's 5 o'clock. All right. All right, so I'm just going to cut a little bit in the front. Ooh, I did that. You see that? Now I have to get it back wet. And I will use water first, comb through my hair, and then go in with some mousse to help define my curls. And I have this cheap mousse because they didn't have any more of this that I love. I went to Dollar General and they had White Rain. It's not the best, but it would work. Let's comb through this. Make sure my curls popping at the top as well. Ooh, this smells like somebody's grandma at church. This is giving white diamond smell. Okay. Let's comb through this again. Ooh, juicy. Just trying to do this a little bit with the back of my brush. Okay, I'm cool with that. Let's do this side. Then I will go through and pull some hair in the back because the last thing you want is for it to dry, split like that. Like, that ain't cute. Curls popping, honey. Juicy curls. Mousse. I'm playing. Okay, cool. That look good. Right? Now, blow dry with my diffuser. This blow dryer is by Hot Tools, and I actually got it from a store called Gabe's. It was like $14. Like, what? Okay, like I said, pull some hair to the back. Fluff that out. Everything else can stay in the front. That's cool. All right. Enough is enough. It's 5:18. And I love it. Yes. All right, let's take this band off because my head is about to pop. But like I was saying, I think I'm in love with diffusing my curls over letting them air dry. It's like they look a little bit more clumped together and full and fluffy versus when you let them air dry, they're kind of weighed down, so they kind of dry like that, versus when you diffuse it, like you're constantly going up and down and scrunching your curls. So I love that. Okay, that's one. Cause I owe it all to you. Ooh, it's so fluffy. It's so soft. This mousse, this doesn't get hard because this is so soft. This, oh baby, it got crunchy. I can't get with the white diamond perfume smell, but the curls are definitely giving. Look at that, it's clumped together. Love it. All right, okay. So you guys, this is the finished look of using my diffuser. I am in love. My curls are super juicy, so soft. They're so juicy and full. I love this. This is a closure, doing its thing, very natural. See the back, look just as good. It's so thick and full and fluffy. Oh, what time is it? And it is 5:43. Yeah, it's in about 3 hours and 20 minutes, including me doing my makeup. That took like an hour and some change. Oh my, did this. So yeah, you guys know what to do. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look and the layers. And click the link down below to go get yours, because just like the name, oh my pretty. And I'll see you next time. Like, it's something about my hair with this black wall. It just makes the hair pop.